Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your battery being stuck at 80% on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So if your battery isn't charging to 100%, that's because battery limit has been enabled, and to disable it, go to the settings, then go to battery. Now you can go to battery protection, and instead of maximum, which limits your charging to 80%, you can set it to adaptive, which I really recommend, or set it to basic if you don't have the Samsung account, because the adaptive can be only set with the Samsung account for some reason. I don't really get why, but this is how it looks, and you can set it to adaptive or basic. You can also disable that, but I don't really recommend disabling that. I really like to keep it on adaptive. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.